Find a square root of 170 minus 20 root 30. Option A, 3 root 5 minus 8 root 6. Option B, 2 root 5 minus 8 root 6. Option C, 2 root 5 minus 5 root 6. Option D, 5 root 5 minus 2 root 6. Option E, 5 root 10 minus 2 root 3. This is UTME question 1978/9. Solution. Remember, I have taught sword here. I have taught rationalization of sword, conjugate sword. Now, this one now is for mathematics aspect of sword. This is called equality of sword. So now, what do you do? Can it be again? So what do you do? Solution. We have 170 minus 20 sword 30. This we compare with sword A minus sword B. This is how we solve equality of sword. So here now we say 170 minus 20 sword 30 equal to bracket sword, or you say root A root B into bracket root A minus root B. This is square. So 170 minus 20 root 30. Let's expand. Root A times root A will give us A. Minus root A times root B will give us root AB. Minus root B times root A will give us minus root AB. Minus root B times minus root B will give us plus B. So here you have 170 minus 20 root 30 equal to A plus B. Before that, let me break it down so that you understand. Equal to A minus root AB minus root AB will give us minus 2 root AB, then plus B. So here 170 minus 20 root 30 equal to A plus B minus 2 root AB. What do? You compare. You compare, or you say you isolate the radicals. Either you compare, either you write comparing, or you isolate the what? Radicals. So here we have 170 equal to A plus B. Call this equation 1. This is B not C. Call this equation 1. And here we have minus 20 root 30 equal to minus 2 root AB. Minus we cancel out, hope you know. So minus 20 root 30 equal to minus root AB. This cancels this. You have 20 root 30 equal to 2 root AB. Let's continue over there. So over here, I want to repeat this question over there. We have 20 root 30 equal to 2 root AB. Divide both sides by 2. Divide both sides by 2. So divide both sides by 2. We have 10 root 30 equal to root AB. Now, here we say square both sides. When we do that, we're going to have 10 root 30 square equal to root AB square. This here we have 100. 10 square 100. Is it 100 or 1000? Huh? Is 10 square 100 or 1000? This square we cancel with this one. We have times 30 equal to this square we cancel out. We have AB. So 100 times 30 will give us 3000 equal to AB. So we say AB is equal to 3000. Call this equation 2. Did you get? So now from equation 1, where's our equation 1? From equation 1, we have that A plus B is equal to 170. So A is equal to 170 minus B. Call this equation 3. Now to find B, or should we say to find b or a, whichever one. To find, since we have a is equal to this, to find b, ab is equal to 3,000 according to equation 2. So anywhere you find a, you substitute a for this. So this will become 170 minus b, then b equal to 3,000. B times 170 will give us 170b. B times minus b will give us minus b square equal to 3,000. What do you do here? You equate to 0. You do what? You equate to 0. When you do that, you're going to have 170b minus b square minus 3,000 equal to 0. What else do you need to do? You rearrange. When you rearrange, you are going to have minus b square plus 170b minus 3,000. You do get? Remember that we have minus b square. I'm repeating what I have here over there, plus 170b minus 3,000 equal to 0. What else you need to do? You multiply through by minus 1 to eliminate this negative sign as the coefficient of b square. So this is minus 1 into bracket minus b square plus 170b minus 3,000 equal to 0. Minus times minus plus b square. Minus times plus minus 170b. Minus times minus plus 3,000 equal to 0. Next thing, you factorize. When you factorize, you are going to look for two numbers that will give us the middle number. Remember, I have taught factorization on this channel, so if you don't understand factorization, do well to go to my channel and check out on those questions I solve on factorization. So here we're going to have b square minus 20b minus 150b will give us minus 170b, then plus 3,000 equal to 0. So what do you do? Common factor here will give us what? B into bracket b minus 20. Common factor here will give us what? Minus 150 into bracket b minus 20 equal to 0. How? Prove. B times b will give us b square. B times minus 20 will give us minus 20b. Minus 150 times b will give us minus 150b. Minus 150 times minus 20 will give us plus 3,000. Did you get? So now, we're going to have b minus 150, then bracket b minus 20. That is b minus 150 equal to 0, which means that b is equal to plus 150. B minus 20 equal to 0. That means that b is equal to plus 20. So if to find a here now, to find a is a plus b equal to 170, right? According to equation 1. So to find a, using what is it called? Using b, when b is equal to 20, a is equal to 170 minus 20. A is equal to what? 150, right? Good. A plus b equal to 170. A equal to 170 minus b. Using 150, when b is equal to 150, that is 170 minus 150. A is equal to 20. Do you get? Now, we want to get our answer according to the option, not even according to the option, based on the question we were asked to find. Now, remember we used root a minus root b. So we are going to use a 20 here and b 150. So a 20 here is root 20 minus root 150. So this is root 4 times 5 minus root 25 times 6. This is root 4 times root 5 minus root 25 times root 6. So we're going to have 2 root 5 here because root 4 is 2 minus 5 root 6. Even if you want to do it the other way around, root b minus root a, what do you have? Do you have the answer there? The answer is C. The answer is what? C. So one may ask, what if you do root b minus root a? From here, 5 root 6 minus 2 root 5, which you couldn't find in the option, is not here. So this is the answer. Do you get? So thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumbs up. I'm going to solve more of this question, like 2. I'll solve 2 more questions on this. So the answer is option C. Thank you.